Get ready for Bihar Civil Code Dictation Series. Start. On 22/6/2021, a representation of the petitioner was sent to the state government through the Superintendent, Central Prison, Pune, for expeditious consideration and revocation of the order of detention. On 8/4/2021, the representation of petitioner was rejected. The petitioner was interviewed by the advisory board at Mumbai through virtual conference. Everyone in this world craves for a happy life. It is difficult to define happiness as it is a state of the mind and it is subjective. Hence, this writ petition has been filed for challenging the legal and constitutional validity of detention order. It is to be noted that in the said crime, the petitioner was not even present on the spot of incident. It was his son who has dealt with the complaint. Happiness is related to material glory by some people. Some people associate it with the health of a man. People crave for happiness. Happiness to them is just a good and comfortable dream. The manner of living has various standards. Everyone, therefore, has his own concept of happiness. Most men are dissatisfied with their present state of affairs and condition. One always wants an increasing amount of materialistic assets. A poor man aspires for a hut, while a person living in a hut aspires for a house. A house owner may be aspiring for a beautiful bungalow, and an owner of bungalow may be aspiring for a residence in posh area, but no communication has been received from the state government as regards to the consideration of said representation of the petitioner. The state government has caused considerable delay in considering the representation of the petitioner and not considered and decided the same expeditiously and diligently. The state government has not explained the delay occurred from the date of representation till same was decided. It is further submitted that the detaining authority has not complied with the requirement of law strictly. Where do the real human happiness and solace lie? A wealthy man enjoys all the comforts, luxuries, amenities, and facilities of life, but does he consider himself to be really happy? A rich man may be the master of millions, but he may be unhappy due to ill health. Being ill, he cannot enjoy all the pleasures of life. He considers himself to be a condemned and cursed man in this world. When he finds himself amidst wealth, he is all the more troubled. His state of mind is not elevating. Therefore, the said offense should have kept out of consideration while passing the order of detention. Stop. हेलो शॉर्ट हैंडियंस, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। ऐसे ही और हार्ड वर्ड्स की आउटलाइन और वर्ड्स डिफ्रेंसिएशन की वीडियोस के लिए प्लीज़ वीडियो को लाइक, शेयर और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू प्रेस द बेल।